In today's video, I will walk you through how to check maximum supply of crypto on CoinMarketCap. On a desktop web browser, start by going to CoinMarketCap and using the search bar located at the top right of the page. Click inside the search field and type the name or ticker symbol of the cryptocurrency you want to check. As the results appear, carefully look through them and select the correct coin so you are taken to its main profile page. Make sure you open the official listing for the asset you are investigating. Ensure the spelling matches the correct token and confirm you are selecting the intended cryptocurrency before proceeding. Once you arrive on the coin's main overview page, direct your attention to the market statistics area. This section is positioned next to or just below the main price chart and contains several key data points about the cryptocurrency. Look through this area slowly and locate the block where supply-related information is displayed. The layout may vary slightly depending on the coin, but the supply section is always grouped with other key metrics in the same general area of the page. Within the supply information block, you will find three separate metrics shown together. The first is circulating supply, which refers to the number of coins currently active and available in the market. The second is total supply, which refers to the total number of coins that have already been created, excluding any coins that have been permanently burned or removed from circulation. The third is max supply, which refers to the maximum number of coins that will ever exist for that cryptocurrency over its lifetime. These three values are displayed in a consistent format, so you can compare them side by side within the same section. To find the maximum supply value, focus on the same supply metrics section and look specifically for the label max supply. It will be displayed alongside circulating supply and total supply in the same grouped area. Once you locate it, read the numbers shown next to max supply, which represents the absolute limit of coins that can ever be issued for that cryptocurrency. This value is typically presented in a clear numeric format, making it easy to identify at a glance once you are in the correct section of the page. Double-check that you are reading the correct coin page before relying on the value shown. If multiple similar tokens appear, ensure you stay on the correct listing with matching ticker and name. All of these details help you clearly identify the maximum supply without needing to leave the supply metrics section of the page. Keep your focus on the labeled max supply field only. Thank you for watching,